Can you get me the 0? Get me the 0. 0.
Good job.
Thank you. Can you get me the 1? 2? No. Where's the 2? You know that. Where's the 2? Thank you. Where's the 3? And 4? Thank you. Where's the 5? Can you get me 6? 6. Thank you. 7? Where's 7? Can you get me 7?
No.
Give me 7. Almost done. Can you give me 8? Excellent. And what's this one?
No.
Good job.
Very good. Do you want to do your colors real quick? Look, Daddy's got all your colors too. Ooh. Ooh.
Can you give me blue?
Where's the blue?
Boo-boo.
It's not blue. There it is.
Thank you. Can you give me purple? Give me white. And yellow. Where's yellow? And brown. And green. And red. Red. Is that red? No. Yeah, that's red. What's this?
Black.
Very good.
Good job. Yay, Dylan. Dylan, how big are you? So big.